My name is Thom Browne. I am both an artist and a fashion designer. And here is my first major art installation called Palm Tree One. It draws upon a lot of my influences in regards to celebrating Americana, but also to the tension between how sometimes the American dream is not always as bright and cheery as everybody thinks it might be. And I thought doing a site-specific installation would be interesting in the space because I wanted to work with the scale. The tree being almost tailored in a way and celebrating that preppy American aesthetic and that American dream housed within the black sand and then topped with the black mirror that really starts the conversation on, maybe the brightness of the American dream sometimes is somewhat challenging.